Hi guys, I want to show you a game I'm working on. This is a very rough prototype. It's called Animal Rescue Game. It's about rescuing animals. Everything here is a placeholder, so it looks terrible for now. But I want to show you and share you my ideas about it and hopefully get your thoughts about it. So we start here. This is our place. We have a computer, aquarium, map and the radio. Let's start with aquarium. We can start with cleaning it. Let's clean it. And now let's go in the mode of seeing the aquarium. Here are some fishes. There is even a snail. You see here, right here, there is a snail. We can feed those fishes. Yes, fishes are fed. Fishes or fish, I don't know. And let's go to our map. There are a few locations. Let's start with seal on the Greenland. So let's go there. And here we are magically transported to Greenland when there are seals. Here's a bunch of seals. And we can see that one of those seals has a fish net wrapped around her neck. So we need to catch her, which is not easy task because those poor seals are afraid of us. But we caught one and we need to cut those. Yeah. And seal is thanking us. We can take a picture. And since we rescue the seals, we go back here. And now we can go back to the computer. And let's go to the social, and here are pictures we took from our trip. So let's choose one, let's say this one. Let's add a picture and we can choose description for it. Look at these beautiful animals, how happy they are. Yeah, let's choose this one. And here is our post. It's something like Facebook maybe or Instagram. We can update, and we have already 92 views, 54 likes and 33 messages, and some people are writing very positive stuff about it. We can like it here. Yeah, but Leila Abdi, seeing these animals rescued and thriving fills my heart with so much joy. I send you a little something. Oh, this is very cool. So when we go back and we go back to the bank, we can see that some people are send us some money, and we have in total 1,000 bucks, which is great. And we can choose that by going to the shop, and shop is empty yet, but in the shop we can buy for example maybe extra fishes or some equipment to go to for a trip. So let's go for a cat. And here is a cat that is stuck on the pole. We need to rescue it. I'm not gonna show you right now, but I'm gonna show you the next one, which is deer place somewhere in the USA. Here is a deer which is tangled in the barbed wire, and we need to help him untangle it. We need to rescue it, but unfortunately this is really hard because this deer is very scared and he jumps, so he can punch us because he's afraid. So this is the basic idea of a game I'm working on. Working title is Animal Rescue Game. It's very rough prototype, and I'll show you this at this very early stage. Because maybe you can tell me what do you think about it. Would you play that game? How about the mechanics? Do you like it or not? There is some plans to make maybe some kind of add some functionality like Instagram has in terms of editing pictures and add filters to it. And yeah, if we rescue a cat, we can bring it home, and maybe in the shop we can buy some tools, some toys, not tools, some toys for a cat. And yeah, I think that would be fun. So tell me what you think about it. Leave a like and please comment. Thanks.